In this example, I'm going to be using our sample site to demonstrate just quickly some of the how to create a survey, quiz, how to use the repository discussions. So on our left-hand side, if we click on Survey, and if we click on Add Survey, it's a relatively straightforward process. So we need to actually give our survey a title or a heading. So this will be our first survey. In the description, we can embed content, maybe either from Google videos or YouTube. For example, if we want users to survey any specific content, provide their feedback on a video, we can embed the content here. So you can provide additional details, content, and description of the survey here. We can provide a start date and end date. What that means is the survey will automatically end at a certain time frame. We can limit the number of attempts per user. We can also allow anonymous or only registered users on our site to participate in the survey. Well, this is really good for internal in-house projects and other training compliance. We can have a submit method where all the questions are displayed on one page. And we can also enable whether we want to receive the notifications of each survey submission here. So what we'll do, I'll just move this up here so we can see that the option for finish. Can't move that. Okay. So what's on the bottom here, we can't really see it. I'll just need to move it down. It's the option for finish. So I'll just click there. And that will create our first survey heading. Now we need to start creating questions for our survey. This will be our first question. Now once again, for each question we can add some description text. Description text here. You can leave it blank. It just depends on the type of survey you want to conduct. And the options. So we can say good, bad, yes, no. Now if we view this survey, we can see our survey heading and the description of our survey and our first question and the description for our first question. So if we select good and submit and finish, we can actually view the results. Now we can see our results for good. We've had one response. And the total, all the responses, 100% for good. We can also export our survey submissions. Okay. When we export our survey submissions, they'll be as a text file, which we can import into Excel or other statistical programs, and we can extract the figures out from there.